Oliver, who are you?
Liz.
Liz. And what are we doing today, guys?
We're building a bouncy ball.
No lava lamps, not right now. We're doing a bouncy ball? A bouncing rubber ball. Okay, so it looks like we have some supplies.
And we're also going to need hot water.
Yes, so good job. So today we're doing the Little Passports Science Junior subscription service thing. And we're going to make a bouncing rubber ball. Yes, I said junior. Okay, so what do we have there? Oliver, what's in your hands? What's that?
Scissors.
Liz, what do you have? What is that?
You guys for just eating.
It's a mold. Yes. And then we have a cup. Oliver, stop cutting things with the scissors. Thanks. We have a cup, which will soon have hot water that Mommy will get. And we have our two colors. Liz, what color do you see? Pick one color.
Blue.
Oliver, what color do you see?
Green.
Green. And these are called polyvinyl alcohol granulars. Okay, so as always, you should always have an adult present to help you with things like hot water. Oh, and we have our paper towel, just in case we make a mess, because we're messy. So, I'm gonna go get some hot water, and we'll get started. Oliver, I need you to snip a tiny corner of one of the bags.
Do both.
No, you're going to do uno.
Awesome.
Tiny.
I want
Do it, yep. I think
one.
cool.
Oh,
And
my God.
a little more.
Mommy, can you help me?
That's not a tiny semester. Bless you. Oh, yes. We should totally put our mold together.
Tiny bit.
And when we are done with our science experiment, my children, we are going to wash our hands very thoroughly. Oh, it snapped. There we go. Boom. Boom nuggets. Ooh, hold on, Liz.
Booyah, I got it.
Yeah, you can do that. Come on. Okay, well, you got to snip a little more because you got to be able to have a hole like Oliver's.
Like a big hole.
We don't need a big hole, just a little hole.
Yeah, I got it. Mommy, does this enough?
No, you need to do it a little more. Yeah, okay. That should be good.
Bubbly.
Okay, so what we're going to do next, children, we have our packets cut open.
The packet's got open. And then we're going to put this inside.
Yes, so what we're going to do, we are going to use some teamwork. One child will hold the... Stop. One child will hold the mold, and then the other one will dump a little bit of their color thing into the container.
Who can hold this?
You're gonna hold it first, since it's already in here. Nope, stop. Oliver's, you're gonna hold it so Oliver can dump some of the stuff in. Liz, you gonna hold it? We're not gonna dump Oliver, we're gonna dump about, it's supposed to be about 1/5. Maybe a little more. Okay, stop. Yes. Oh, stop. You know what we didn't do? We didn't tap.
Oh, tap.
Wait, please. No, tap onto the table. Tap. Okay. Let's add some.
Green crystal.
Oliver, hold it so Liz can put some more in there.
Oh my God.
Okay, that's enough. Stop, dudes. And then Liz will be able to tap. Oliver, get your fingers out. Liz, tap.
Tap.
And then we're gonna keep going back and forth like that. until all of our stuff is gone.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so now our little mold is full, and it's as full as it should be because we are not going to fill it up past the little cone piece there. Yes, you sure can. Okay, next. Guys, what do you think we should do next?
Put the hot water in.
Put it in hot water. Yes, we should. No, don't you do it yet, Liz. Wait a second. Hold up. So next, we are going to hold this very carefully and place the mold in the water and swirl to let the water inside. And then we have to let the mold rest for 5 minutes at the bottom of the cup. I'm gonna do this because the water is hot. Swirl, 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 do, do, do. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Swirl, 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 do, do, do. Swirl, swirl, swirl. I don't know how long I'm supposed to do this.
It's a wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Yeah. Oh yeah, now there's water in it. Okay, boom. You guys look. It doesn't really show up on camera, but it looks a little wet. You see it, Liz? Does it look wet or dry?
It looks a little
Inside.
reddish dry.
Cool. So now we have water inside. Just gonna give it a couple more swirls for good measure. And then now it's down at the bottom. And now we need to wait for 5 minutes. So we'll be back right after this. Okay, 5 minutes is up. Look, our timer. All done. Groovy. So, do you think the water is hot, guys? No? Cool. Okay.
So can I get it?
I'm gonna.
guess?
No.
It's warm.
It's actually kind of cold. Okay.
To you?
Ooh, there's water coming out here. Look at that, guys. That thing is coming apart. Okay.
Can I open it?
Okay, we're going to ever so gently pull. Wait, ooh. Wait, Liz, you take one side, Oliver takes the other side, and then we're gonna do teamwork to pull it apart. 1, 2, 3, go. Gently, gently, gently. Okay, maybe not.
It feels like jello.
Feels like jello. Ooh.
I mean, it feels slimy.
It does feel slimy. I don't know if it's supposed to. It looks very smooth in the picture. Well, that doesn't look smooth at all, and it feels really bumpy.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay,
Open it. Let's see. Dot. Ooh. Oh. We are done. Check the other side.
Yeah, it's very sticky.
If this comes out the same, then I'm gonna say you're done. You're done. Yeah.
That's like the shape of an egg. It's not quite a ball.
I want to be I want to see if it's both.
I want to see it as well, but it's very sticky. It's going to stick to a lot of things.
Yeah. And I say my jelly.
It should not just smell like jelly.
No.
Ew.
It smells so
Okay, Oliver, you want to try and drop it on the table to see if it'll... Oh, that was... It did? Okay. Ooh. Yes, hang on, Liz. Hang on, please. It does work in real life, but it's also very sticky in real life. It's the shape of an egg. Don't pull it apart, please. It's very squishy, it's very sticky, it's very loud. Oh, my children. Okay. Ooh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs.
Okay, I'm gonna wash.
Oh, that's, you know what? Before you do, you know what? We're gonna end it here because I don't know what happened. I think we're gonna have to sit and let it dry out for a little bit and then come back to it later. Oliver, wait.
It's so funny.
Can you? No.
Guys.
What do we say, Oliver?
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our videos, then click the subscribe button and press the notification and search Auburn Liz Just Play and leave a like.
Leave a like. What do you say, Liz?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Give a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up or a like. Same thing. Bye.
Bye.
Toodles.
The next day.
Where's the bounce? It's totally not doing what it's not doing what it needs to.